Hello YouTubers, we're changing a blade. Step one, take your saw guide out. I don't know where to put you here. While I got help putting the transmission in, that went too good. We have to do something to...
It's full of co-pep. I wonder why that is.
What's that?
It's full of co-pep.
I don't know how that got there. I blow it out every time.
You can't get under that washer.
Oh, you're right. Anyhow, we're changing a blade. You can watch him take the guide off. On that guide, I guess I'll wait until I talk till I get back.
Get the nut off. You nut.
That's what I'm getting.
We put this blade on here quite a while back, as I recall.
Yeah.
Which one is it anyway?
I think it's a 52.
Is that a New Jersey?
I don't know. Now what I did on this thing was I ground that down a little bit so you don't have to, so it'll get beyond the stud. Why Frick did that, we got no idea. A lot of times you got to take this whole...
You got to take his stud out because it won't back off that far.
Or take the whole mechanism off.
Or, yeah, well that's not easy either.
Alright, now we're going into the big nut, huh?
Whack it.
Aim the camera, boy. Which way?
Gotta aim no camera.
Which way's off? Toward you? No, toward me. Off is that way, right?
Yes. It's a lefty loosey. Oh, go on, hit it.
Hit your saw.
Are you a qualified saw hammer?
Hammer your blade.
Yeah, are you qualified?
Hand me them mittens up there. That thing, somebody sprayed oil all over this thing.
Yeah. Every time you got to touch one of your saw blades, it'll get all greasy.
Well, they don't rust that way. Keeps the guides lubricated.
Mm-hmm.
I guess I should have brought a rag or a towel, shouldn't I?
Clean the collars?
Yeah.
Let me see a collar.
Not much more than 4 inches, is it?
Yeah, it's the same thing I'm running. Still got a little dish in it, that's good. It's hitting right around the outside edge. Shouldn't be no water in there.
There's oil. I don't know if I can. Can you got that?
I don't think you ought to.
What's that?
Hold on, YouTubers. We gotta move.
Yeah, YouTube's always kind of in the way.
We're gonna.
Just kind of get a.
We're gonna back you up here where
we can get it out and get the new one in.
Yeah.
Sometimes you want mittens.
Nope, I got the good side of the saw. Like you just wait a minute. On the board. All right, you got it.
Old man with a big blade.
That's a little blade.
Well, you're right.
What are we putting on?
The new one.
Yeah, but what diameter?
54.
54. R54, where are you? Oh, look at that. He's feeling froggy. Hey, give me that thing.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Now we gotta go find the new one. Get a towel. I don't have any towels in the back of that truck, I guarantee you. Because I wiped off that Detroit about 1,000 times.
Use this one.
Oh, that'd be good.
I'll do it. All we're doing is
Gotta wipe its nose. I don't even know how I got this one in here, to be honest with you.
Uh-oh. Trap.
Huh?
Trap.
Oh, I see how I got it in.
Well, we got to take the engine out to get it in, out of there or something?
Yep.
We ain't doing that.
I'll bring pterodactyl down here. He'll just pull that engine right out. I am.
Ain't never been out of the box.
Never been out. Yeah, it has.
Has it?
Yep.
Now this is the peach spec saw, right?
Yeah.
With the fat teeth and all that.
Well, it's got teeth in it. Is that what you mean?
No,
Do I got spare ones?
no, it's got 5/16 teeth in it, don't it?
Yeah.
What is this thing?
That
It
was
doesn't move.
cut off.
Looks like a triple hazard to me.
Nah, that's a figment.
You got it nailed down or something?
No, it's just sitting there after all the rains come through. Here's where we're going to, guys. Look at that. Has it been a while? How long have I had this thing? A year?
I'd say.
Where are my mittens? Kitten's got to find his mittens. Don't do this at home. Don't try this at home or something like that.
We are not professional.
Oh, we're not a professional.
$54.
54. So that one must be a 52. PHS, what's that? RPM. It was 600 from the factory, right hand.
So you got it to 670?
Yeah. That's what these are. That's what these circles are
Yeah,
for.
they put it on a roller.
Put it on a roller, yeah. All right, we got to get this out of here and get it on. It's kind of hard working the video, and I need a cameraman. We'll get it out, then I'll have to move the camera again.
Look, just open it up in there.
Okay.
Now you can do something. Just go back.
Okay.
There it is.
I'll switch.
Still getting good. There it went.
I told you this is a heavy blade. Should we put it on the right direction?
Yeah, it's back after right now.
You want to turn?
Roll around the corner that way.
We'll pick it up with this twirl. You want to switch sides?
I do. But when you switch sides, you're going to set it up on there.
You ready?
No. I'll tell you when. Okay. Can't waste 10 ton. Sure you got enough horsepower to turn this thing?
I'm not sure.
Now,
Where'd that racket go?
it's right there on the end of the box.
All right.
You're going to give these guys whiplash.
Whiplash? They're used to getting seasick. You want to put a little oil on it?
I don't.
Okay. You want to switch sides?
I'm here now. As long as you don't do anything drastic. You ready?
No. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
She's a heavy one, isn't she?
Turn it on. More around when you close to the pins.
I thought it took the small pins. I bet it takes the small pins. I think it takes those.
Yeah, wipe off the outside. Put the collar on there.
Hammer away.
We'll see how bad it warbles. Peachy keen saw, huh?
This is a peach saw.
It does have a different look to the hook of the teeth.
Yeah. Well, he's got some special hook that he likes. Remember?
The question is, do we like it?
Yeah, the nut doesn't fit.
What?
Must have got a different nut in there.
Let me snap her in gear. Pull it back.
What do you mean? Pull it
Pull the
back.
saw towards you. That's the way it drives.
Okay.
Then tighten it up.
it's up against that.
Against the pin. Good.
I think so. How much do you hit it?
I feel like it's enough. It ain't gonna walk off. It's self-tightening.
Oh.
If you shear the pins, anyway.
Well, it's already up against that guy hard, so I know we got to move that one out, don't we?
We gotta move the whole cotton picking thing, son. You
Oh.
are a mile from the teeth.
Shit, yeah, I forgot about
You
that.
gotta put it in the different holes, don't you?
Yeah. I wonder if it's got holes for it. It's got to have holes
It must
for it.
have. You had a 56 on it.
Well, you got to take it out anyway, don't you? Here's what the problem is, guys.
The other one's a 52 saw, and this is a 54 saw.
This is a 52. The other one's 52, or it might have been a 50.
Might be a 50 because you got to come out.
2 inches.
Yep.
It was a 50. This has got to come out to catch right below the thing. So I got to go down in the hole and get some stuff out down there. So this is going to take longer than the.
Whoa.
I'm heading
Oh,
down.
no.
Huh?
Well, the hole's clean, but you put the elevator back in.
Yeah. Well, I never took the elevator out. All right, I'm heading
I've never
down.
seen the bottom of that pit before.
I haven't seen it in years. You know there were grease fittings on the bottom of that chain? Let me see what this blade is, just for the heck of it.
Halibut?
Halibut. It's a 50. All right, I'm going down to the hole. You can't get it from there, can you?
No, not really.
All right.
I don't think you can get it from in the hole either. I don't know how you're supposed to get it.
Well, if it takes too long, I can get in there and get it done. But I got a feeling.
I can't see any way to get the wrench in here, but I know you've done it before.
I got to go in from.
Whole
I
place
gotta go all
smells
the way
like a
around.
railroad.
That's why I put these up higher. Remember the last ones were low? All the headache things, I put a cable up there. It is getting. Oh, I'm glad I cleaned the sawdust pit out.
Well, when we took the 56 off, you must have moved this.
I would say, but that's been how many years ago?
Just a couple. I don't know if this does you any good or
Oh
not.
hell, I can't get there from here either.
That's what I'm saying. It's right there.
Oh, okay, I see it. There's only one though.
There got to be one on this side up here.
Man, look at old.
Got to be one.
Oh,
there's one
okay,
right
I'm
there.
looking at the wrong. Yeah, I
Right
get to
here.
them. Goddamn spider webs are everywhere.
What happens when you don't run your equipment?
I don't clean my. I just clean down here.
I said run it. I said clean it. I'll hold this with this. No. Coming off?
Yeah. See it?
Yeah, oh yeah. See it. Original Frick square-headed bolt.
Yep.
Okay, so that one's out.
Why do you keep putting sawdust on me? Where's all
How
this?
can I keep from putting sawdust on you?
Where's it all coming from?
I gotta hold this one.
You got it?
I think so.
I must have got it. I heard the bell ring. I got the junk crescent wrench.
Aren't they all?
No. This one here, every time you put it on a bolt, it gets wider. Every time you torque it, it gets wider.
Female.
Yeah. Wait. You might be able.
Nut off of it?
Yeah. There's only one more hole there anyway.
That's the one we need.
But I might have to take this top off to get it in, huh?
Sawdust coming.
I'm all right. To get that in, I gotta take this top thing off, don't I?
So we want to be at the biggest hole.
You can't get there from there, can you? That's a whole big piece.
See, you can work. Can you work the bolt from the bottom?
Nope.
No. Well,
Now,
sit tight.
you can't get it off by yourself.
I can get it out of my way enough.
Oh, I don't know.
I gotta move it that far. Get all this iron out of the way.
You're ironing up there?
Well, how do you get it off by yourself?
I don't know, I do. It ain't easy.
How do you get it out from under the feed lever? Does it turn up?
I don't
Is
remember.
that what it does?
I just screw it until it comes off. It doesn't turn up easy.
I think it's got to turn up. Get out from under here. It's just so close.
It is very close. You want me to come up?
I got it moving. Hold on. Take YouTube in a way. If I can get this corner to go up. So the other ain't falling back. Come on, baby.
Yeah, baby. Isn't it, what's his name that says that? Yeah, baby.
Hard on your guard there. Whatever that piece of plastic was. I might have wait today. Yep,
It happens.
I think I'll wait today.
Wait, what? Oh, I know. I hate that plastic. I'm not worried about that.
Well, it's no longer attached.
You gonna clean the hoe out? Of course, nobody can see shit now, can they, on the camera?
Might be able to. Alright, so that goes there.
I guess you can figure out where it goes by.
There's only one choice. First of all,
Will it work?
yes.
Alright, I'll be back in the hole. Don't do this at home, guys. Well, I'm kind of glad I got the sawdust out of here.
Well, you will not hit the base of the gullets because it's about a 1/4 inch inside of them with it all the way wide. So you're actually good.
So the book lied. It said you could swing a 56. You really can't. You can.
You shouldn't.
You shouldn't. All right, you ready for tightening? I'm on the front
Yeah.
one.
Well, why do you got to be on the front
All
one?
right, I'm on the back one. I'm on the back one.
No, no. Go. You want more?
Yeah, a little bit more. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a little bit. Well, let me do the front one.
I don't think you want to collapse the husk.
Now, you ready?
Yeah, if this race decides to hold on to the square-headed bull.
That's good. Can I get out of the hole?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
I think there's a lot of spiders looking at me, licking their chops.
Spiders don't eat rednecks.
Spiders don't eat rednecks?
Yeah,
Rednecks don't eat spiders either. They squish them.
that's right. Okay, all we gotta do is turn this board back over.
What's that?
All we gotta do is turn the board back over.
Okay. Well, guys, where are we at time-wise? We're 20 minutes, so that ain't too hateful if you wanted to change your blade.
The hard way.
The hard way, if it was the same size blade. Oh, look, it's some of the clean crew didn't clean up in here. All right.
Well, in your case, that would be the day shift.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. That's got to go under there. Still got to go over.
Looks like it fits. What was the plastic thing? Oh, the thing that's in the sawdust pit?
Is that where it ended up? Yeah, it did.
It wasn't there when I came out. I guess when we moved it, guess what? It's going to stay there for a while.
Look, it's free.
Yeah, I backed that one off.
Yeah, you didn't free it though. It was still hitting it.
Oh, really?
I don't want it hitting nothing.
Right.
There. Okay.
Start your engines?
Yeah, I guess you could.
Here we go, guys. I'm gonna put you over here because we might be doing. First, we gotta do the oil can in the.
I want one of these.
You want one of those? What do you want it to say?
Me. You got one for me.
I'll get you one. Where's my oil can?
What do you want oil now?
I gotta oil those bearings. The Babbitt bearings.
Yeah.
But I don't understand why my oil cans aren't back here. That doesn't make any sense to me. Did somebody come by here? I gotta have to put them someplace. They didn't fall down the pit, did they? Oh, there they are. They put them in a place they've never been before. Oh, Lordy. Think this thing will start? Detroit ain't liking to start lately.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They get tired. You remember how to start this beast?
You push the button, but
The charging system doesn't work.
The charge system.
It doesn't charge, but if you activate it, it'll charge, but you let it off and it goes off. You put it on, leave it on, the wires start to smoke. So I'll leave it on for a little bit. This is what I'm doing down here, guys. It came off. First start up. It's wobbling. It's not up to RPM though. When it tightened.
Mine does the same thing. Billy always says leave it loose, but mine you can't. You can't either.
Yeah, you can tighten it. Tighten that thing. Just push it out. Oh, okay.
That looks weird with that hole in the middle.
I know it. let off of it, it stops. That's good, it'll start. All right, guys, there it goes. As the saw blade turns.
Someday, maybe.
The collar's a little out here going.
The saw's not quite as flat. Still.
Ah, it's the collar. That's that one that just got swedged on and put on with nuts and all sorts of stuff. I guess we'll try to put this blade. I wasn't going to put it in that capture. I was going to capture it in something else. So I'll get that later. I'll put it to bed later. And we're gonna put a log on here later today. Might get a log thing. Anyhow, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you're interested in seeing the first log that this brand new blade saws, hit the bell button, hit that red bell button, and that'll tell you when I'm putting one on. But that probably won't come on till tomorrow or the next day. I'm not quite sure. Thanks for stopping by. Over and out.